This self-paced 5-hour online training course is backed by evidence, traditional use, and the clinical experience of a community of birth professionals. The course is presented in a series of 8 20 to 30-minute audio-visual keynote modules and includes 5 quizzes, a certificate of completion, and a 14-page usage guide. Frankincense and myrrh come from the oozing out of the wound of the trunk or a branch. It's wonderful for wound healing. And the tree, which is also good for the respiratory system. So there's a lot of overlap here, but myrrh is called an herbal band-aid and it can seal over a wound. They're incredibly pure and very potent therapeutically. And many people say, oh, we can use as much as we want because they're so pure. But I think of it like these are so pure, you don't need to. Stress has been reported to be the underlying cause of 80% of all diseases. The stress response is the same no matter what the reaction is from. Grapefruit can be helpful for people with body image issues, so for people having trouble with the weight gain and changes in their body with pregnancy, that might be a nice one. When you're thinking about what oil to use, I don't look at instinct and intuition as something that only a few people can have or even something that's mystical. We have these incredibly intelligent, complex brains, and also at a subconscious level, we've taken in so much more than we realize. That, to me, that's what intuition is. The more you trust it and use it, the stronger it gets, and that's such a helpful tool.